It's the last day of March, March 31st, 2020. A lot of the snow is gone. That's an interesting crack we've had in the ice this year. I've never really quite seen that pattern. Thought that one was kind of neat. Most of the snow is gone, at least on the backside. Gonna take a little drive with Autumn. She's got to make a couple stops for her work. But when I get home, I'm gonna clean up some of the dog mess, try to start cutting up some of this wood here. Here's our patches of snow left in the yard. Well, as you can see, the snow is starting to disappear, so I decided to come out here and clean all of Liberty's dog crap up since I could get to it. Have you ever stepped in those landmines? There's no other feeling in the world. We think of a crappy story, a stinky story. So there's a fart spray product out there that I bought. And I was told by a friend, hey, you got to get this fart spray. It's kind of a funny gag. So anyways, I put some in my locker at work. And my buddy Ram, who you've seen in the video Deja Blue, helped me get my Harley. Anyways, he had a vest, and he pulled his, we were changing out our uniforms, and we got these bulletproof vests. And he's like, man, this thing's starting to really stink. I'm going to take it home and wash it. And he had all of his stuff by his locker. And I had this fart spray up in my locker. So I says, hey, I got that for you. He's like, no, you don't got to touch that. So I grabbed a couple of my old shirts and I put it around there. And we're walking out of work there, and I sprayed this fart spray on his bulletproof vest. And he had a four-door truck, so he goes to climb in the front seat of his truck, and I grabbed his vest and I threw it in the back seat. I hurried up and got in my car, drove away, and I'm driving down the street, and you could see him. He's getting ready to drive. He starts looking around, and I see him get out of the truck, go in the back seat of the truck, grab the vest, throw the whole thing in the back seat. And then one of the other guys I was working with, he's taking a jog after work, and so Ram thinks the other guy did it, or whatever. And so anyways, he's driving down the road and tries to kind of pretend like he's kind of running him off the road, and then he gives me a call. He's like, what did you do to my vest? I said, I didn't do anything to it. You said it stunk. He's like, it wasn't that bad. What the heck's going on? And then I'm just dying laughing. And so anyways, if you got any good fart stories, I was cleaning up all this dog crap, and it made me think of that fart spray story. But it was absolutely hilarious watching him get in that truck and get ready to drive, and just like the truck stunk all the way home. And he throws his vest in the back or whatever, and yeah, he said it reeked when he got home too. But so anyways, I got him pretty good with that one. So I thought I'd share that story today. But I hope everybody's having a good day. We're still under quarantine. It's just got to kind of keep finding stuff to do, keep your heads up. And if you got any funny stories down below, any good gags that you pulled on anybody, put the comments below in this video.